Interested in developing a product with exceptional household and industrial cleaning applications that quickly gets to clean and green? STEPOSOL CITRI-MET by Step & Company is a revolutionary new water-based blend developed from Nobel Prize-winning metathesis chemistry, ecologically responsible citrus terpenes, and emulsifiers. Even diluted to a solution of 96% water, STEPOSOL CITRI-MET surpasses the cleaning power of products containing up to 40% petroleum-based solvents. It comes to you fully blended and ready for dilution to meet your specific product needs. STEPOSOL CITRI-MET covers a wide range of applications, from household to industrial to institutional. One dilution of STEPOSOL CITRI-MET can result in products for the home market that clean glass, carpet, and multiple surfaces, and remove stains left by tar and permanent markers. A different dilution ramps up for the stronger industrial applications, such as cleaning metal parts, removing crude oil stains, washing oil-filled rigs, and stripping latex. STEPOSOL CITRI-MET is what you want it to be, without complicated mixing and chemical formulations. Just add water to the right dilution level and you're ready to go. A dramatic application of STEPOSOL CITRI-MET can be seen in the removal of permanent marks. On the left, a commercial cleaner with propylene glycol butyl ether removes only part of the spot. STEPOSOL CITRI-MET, diluted to 96% water, disintegrates the mark without wiping. The same dilution of STEPOSOL CITRI-MET works on tough tar stains. Here's a mixed crude oil tar stain on a simulated automobile surface. On the right, with just a few wipes, STEPOSOL CITRI-MET at a 96% water 1:14 dilution removes the tar. The product on the left, made specifically for the job, contains petroleum distillates and glycol ethers with 40% solvent. You can see that it just smears the soil. Blood can be difficult to remove from fabric, but the same cleaning action that eradicates permanent marker will effectively dissolve dried blood. STEPOSOL CITRI-MET isn't bleach. It's a new bio-based way to clean. After 5 minutes of soaking and then rinsing, STEPOSOL CITRI-MET removes the stain, leaving just a faint trace. The other product leaves a dark red ring. STEPOSOL CITRI-MET has the last word when it comes to removing graffiti, too. The product on the left is 100% solvent-based with NMP. Although the harsher solvent works quickly, it can strip the paint from the underlying surface. STEPOSOL CITRI-MET at an 87% water 1:4 dilution takes a few minutes to penetrate the spray paint, but it minimizes the potential for damage. Behind the impressive cleaning power of STEPOSOL CITRI-MET is an impressive eco-friendly technological breakthrough. STEPOSOL CITRI-MET features a blend of STEPOSOL MET 10U plus citrus terpenes and emulsifiers that combine to deliver a VOC of 0.5% at a 1:14 dilution. STEPOSOL CITRI-MET, a revolutionary technology that delivers clean and green for a wide range of applications and customers. Partner with Stepan, a leading specialty chemical ingredient supplier with decades of experience and global expertise in surfactant development for the cleaning industry. Stepan, at the forefront of surfactant solutions.